Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to listen to the sounds around a child using Findmykids. But first I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the app. Now tap on the microphone icon at the bottom section. Tap on, turn on the sound. And if you wait a bit, you can hear the sounds around your child. In order to stop it, tap on stop at the bottom section. And that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one. Bye!